So in this video we're going to have a quick look at consultations for pre and post event before we go into the actual massage. So you still need to do a consultation regardless of the type of massage. The nice thing about this is you can get the client for that as much as possible beforehand because it's a time waster otherwise. You've got 10 to 15 minutes to do a massage in, so you've got a queue of people. They're going to be really annoyed if you're stood here taking their name and address. So get that information in first, but what you must do is double check it. So Charlotte's got her address, name, date of birth here, telephone number, occupation, contact details, and also the medical history. So we've done all of that, and you'll just check it with your client. So just to confirm here, Charlotte, your address is 39 Raybridge.
Yeah.
And your emergency contact down is David.
Yeah.
And his telephone number ends in 276.
Yeah, absolutely.
We've got your medical history here, and you've not marked anything as a problem, and you're not on any medication, and you're not seeing any other healthcare practitioner.
Yeah, that's correct.
Brilliant. So we've got all that information checked. You'll then turn your form over. They're nice small forms, easy to use, and all you've got is why they've come on this side. So we've got tight calves here, and we've got a declaration which Charlotte has kindly signed and dated for me. The next bit of information is what area we're going to treat. So you've got tight calves, so we're going to run through legs basically, with a focus on the lower leg. So it's a little tick box system. The card will be online for you to have a look at, and you can just tick. It is the simplest of things. And then after you've treated, or before you treat in fact, really write down which techniques you're going to use, and then if you do add any more on, make sure you add them in, but you do need to confirm with your client that she's happy that what techniques you're going to do. So Charlotte, we're going to do some effleurage and petrissage, and then finish with a little bit of tapotement just to get things up and running.
Perfect.
Okay? Then you sign it yourself, and you've got all the information, and you can then go and start your massage. One thing I will say is the forms we've got online don't say anything about marketing, but you can add that in as an option. But if you want to market people, you must get their permission, so put it on the consultation form.